Hi guys, this is Aashir and last week I shared insights of my new game project. The game doesn't has a name yet, so if you have any suggestions you can comment down below. So the game is about a squishy little character that moves in a random direction to collect the keys to move to the next level and smash into enemies to kill them. I'm making this game using the Unity game engine, programming in C# and drawing the art in Photoshop. This week I have made a lot of progress which I'll be sharing in this video. For the people who haven't watched the first video of this Devlog series, let me give a quick recap. Last week I set up the core mechanics in the game, the environment and the basic gameplay in which upon tapping the player starts to move in a random direction. If it collides with the boundary, he is bounced off from it. I placed some enemies in the game, a score and a health system and some keys that have to be collected to move to the next level. This week, I worked on level 2 for the game. I made a new background which is kind of a greenish world. I drew some new weeds to make the level look a bit alive. I used the all-in-one sprite shader to make these awesome effects on them. I placed them a little bit away from each other by going into 3D mode to give a little parallax effect. I also made a new rotating triangular platform for this level and placed the same slingshots as the last level in it. I had to change a little bit of the mechanics for the key because the previous had an issue, as I was using sprite masks and the key could be collected even when not visible. So to fix this, I placed the 3 keys in the corners, then I placed a circle around them to act as a collider. When the player collides with one of the colliders, a key is spanned at another location. I disabled their sprite render component so they are not visible in the game. The new mechanic works like a charm and have made the game pretty interesting also. I have also made some changes to the enemies of the level 1, as there were a lot of them. So, in level 1 only one enemy, a jellyfish, will be present. I have also added a chest in the game which opens when the player collides with it and rewards health to player. To do this, I simply placed the 2 chest sprites, one open and the other closed, one over another, and placed them inside another parent object. Then I wrote a script so that when the player collides with a chest, the closed chest sprite is disabled and the opened chest sprite is enabled. I also placed a little heart in the same parent game object and also programmed to enable it when the chest is opened. I have also made a new enemy for the game which is a turtle. Yeah, I don't know cause turtles are cool. It moves just like a turtle, slow but steadily. It has the same AI, brain as the jellyfish in the last level. So I didn't have to write a whole new script for it. Okay, so now that's it for this week. Next week I'll be working on the level 3 for the game. I'm also planning to add some game juice and sound effects so the game feels more alive and interesting to play. These devlogs are source for me to share my progress with you and to inspire you to start your own journey. Your feedback on these is a great favor for me to improve my game. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed seeing the progress in the game. I'll be back with some new content soon, so stay tuned. Bye.